Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode starts off noThina. She is bringing a tray of tea for uPhetheni and uKwenzo, and they are at the Dlamini mansion. So uThina puts the tray on the coffee table and then she says, "Nali tiye." uPhetheni then says, "Thank you." uKwenzo then says, "Ngiyabonga, ngizobuye ngilithathe." uThina then says, "Okay." She sits down. She then says, "Kodwa mesikhuluma iqiniso, aren't you wondering ukuthi uNoma uwathathe phi amabhodlela anomuthi ngoba iyangithusa mina yonke lento, and-ke uzinisele about this cleansing thing ngoba nakhu she believes ukuthi ingane ibikhona, iyangixaka mina yonke lento." uKwenzo then says, "Mina ngikhathazekile ngoNomalanga, angimazi lo muntu esimbona manje, akusiyena uNomalanga." uPhetheni then says, "Yena, she's spiraling out of control. Kodwa-ke mfanami, that is not your fault. What we need to do manje is to just help uNomalanga." uThina then says, "Yeah, ngiyathemba ukuthi it won't be too late," and then the scene just ends like that. Guys, uNomalanga uze nenye, guys. Imagine, out of the blue nje. Next scene, girl, we see uZama. She is in her room at res, you guys. When uSibongile rushes in and she's like, "Zama, ngibuyile esikoleni mnganami. Zama, ngibuyile esikoleni." uZama's like, "Mngani, userious?" uSibongile, excited, then says, "Cabanga, I showed the dean undeniable proof. Wavesane wati, ulungile, angibuyele esikoleni." uZama's like, "Oh my gosh," they screaming together. Guys, they start hugging one another. uZama's like, "Congratulations, Mngani, we did it." uSibongile then says, "Angikholwa yazi." uZama then says, "Me neither." And uBusi yena isitore sakhe sithini? uSibongile then says, "Angazi futhi angihlangene. You should have seen indlela bekambheke ngayo uBusi enyanyeni. Bekafuna ukungidla nje. I-committee ye-disciplinary is handling a case against her." uZama then says, "Okusalayo." As uZama speaking like that, next thing, guys, uNomalanga is in their room. uNomalanga looks at uSibongile. She's like, "Uphi ubaba wengane yami Sibongile?" uSibongile like, "Nomalanga." uZama's like, "Hayibo, ungene kanjani lana?" uNoma then says, "Bekumele ukuthi sizilela ingane yethu ndawonye. Uphi?" uZama then says, "Hayibo, nali ibhadi Nomalanga. Ungene kanjani erumini lethu?" And then as they speaking there, uNomalanga's phone rings. She looks at her phone and then she smiles. She's like, "Uyena, uKwenzo." She answers the phone. She's like, "Kwenzo. Kwenzo kuphi? Kade ngikufuna." She just walks out and leaves uZama and uSibongile nje kanjalo. uZama's like, "Hayibo, nali ibhadi lethu bo." The way uNoma was splashing, guys, when she saw that phone call from uKwenzo, I'm just like, "Hayibo, this thing is gonna cause a commotion," because uSibongile is just wondering what's going on. Anyway, again, next scene, we see uSibongile benoZama. They are walking on campus, you guys, and uSibongile is so irritated. She is trying to call uKwenzo, but she can't get a hold of uKwenzo. She then says to uZama, "Zama, angithi uyayibona le ndaba. Ngempela uKwenzo, ifoni yakhe ayingeni ku-voicemail. Uzongichazela ukuthi kwenzakalani-ke." uZama then says, "Mngani, kancane nje, don't rush things." uSibongile then says, "Zama, bokumele ukuthi angitshele ukuthi kwenzakalani." uNomalanga rocks up out of nowhere and suddenly uKwenzo akatholakali. Asithembeke ukuthi nothing bad has happened to him. uZama then says, "Mngani, anuhlisa umoya. Mngani, yehlisa umoya. I'm sure there's a reason for all of this. Let's not jump into conclusions." Next scene, we see uVelephi. She is there esipilini, guys, getting ready, while uSipho uhlele embhedeni busy looking at her. Phela uVelephi got a phone call, guys, from DJ Mang Mang eThekwini for a gig. But she must come and be a hype man, so she's preparing herself there esipilini to go to that gig. So uVelephi is like, "Ayike, sekunjalo ke, sengiphakathi." So nje Fridays, Saturdays and Sundays iy'nsuku zami lezo zokusebenza. Nemali yakhona ke ave iyinhle, iyathembisa, shame kakhulu futhi. uSipho then says, "Okay." But uSipho, guys, you can see he's a bit uncomfortable about this. I was just scared for uVelephi because I'm just like, Velephi, isn't this the same thing they were using against you when you were going to dance at Chewin when washingane? Now you're taking up a gig again. Is this thing not going to, cause trouble for uVelaphi all over again? uVelaphi then says to uSipho, into engizoyidinga ungenzele yona wena, ukuthi unakekele uManqoba ngama-weekends since I'll be working. uSipho then says, hayi khuleka shiya kumina. Wena nje make sure ukuthi you get the bag. uVelaphi then says, yeah boy, the bag. Kodwa ke mpela, ngingayini ngaphandle kwakho Sipho? Awusho-ke, uphi uManqoba? uSipho, guys, his smile just fades away. uVelaphi's like, uphi uManqoba? uSipho then says, okay, buka-ke, angithi ngihlulekile ukumgada namhlanje, so ngimse ku-Aunt Samke. Yo, guys, uVelaphi then says, angizwanga Sipho. Sipho, umhambise kanjani uManqoba kuSamke? uSipho then says, how? Khumbula uSamke is my aunt. uVelaphi then says, u-aunt wakho lo ebezama ukungithathela ingane yami. Ngenkani futhi? Yazini Sipho, I thought you were trying to help me while I was gone. Usigadele ingane yethu when uhambisa ingane yami kulo wamthakathi. uSipho then says, how? u-Auntie Samke has watched uManqoba before. Futhi ke njengami nawe uyamthanda. uVelaphi then says, angifuni nje ukuyizwa leyo Sipho, uyezwa? Ungalinge nje ungitshele leyo nonsense. If you don't want to watch uManqoba, bekufanele usho, uyezwa? Bungafanelanga ukuthi uzichake ngwasekuqaleni nje. uSipho then says, Velaphi, musukuba kanjena. uVelaphi then says, na Sipho, ngaba ushilo nje wena ukuthi awufuni ugada uManqoba, uyezwa? Hayi man, she just walks out. uSipho's at Velaphi, how? Next scene ngempela we see uSamke, she is with uManqoba, ungena at lounge, there kwambamba uVuma is sitting there. uSamke enters the lounge noManqoba, and then she says kuVuma, phela mina phela mkhulu, angisemuhle. That time shame guys, uManqoba is so cute. uVuma then says, hey. uSamke then says, uyambona ukuthi uyi-cutie kanjani? uVuma then says, waze wamuhle mzukulu wami. uManqoba then says, nanti imoto, busy playing nemoto yakhe yethoyisi laphayana. uVuma's like, imoto. uSamke's like, impahla zona. And then obviously uVuma notices ukuthi uManqoba is wearing new clothes. He then says, how? Iskiphe sisha. Ubongile kugogo kodwa. There uManqoba is busy posing guys ngeskipho sakhe esisha. uVuma then says, ha? Uyambona? Hey, abantu abanogogo, ogogo abanothando. Uyabona indlela oyithanda ngakhona ingane Samke? Uyabona if bengimusha ubuzoyikhona eyakho ingane. uSamke then laughs. uSamke then says, eyakho nakanjani ingane bengizoyikhona? uManqoba then says, imoto iyahamba gogo. uSamke then says, yes, you'll be driving your grandparents angithi. Hayi kodwa Vuma, sibadala yazi, ngeke sisalunga. As she's speaking like that, uVelaphi angene. uVelaphi then says, knock knock, ngisazolanda uManqoba. uVuma then says, hawu mntanami. uVelaphi then says, yebo baba. uVuma then says, uyayibona impahla uSamke amthengele zona uManqoba? Uyambona ukuthi umzukulu muhle kanjani? uVelaphi guys azenzisa ingathi she likes the clothes. She's like, oh yebo, zinhle impela, siyabonga mam Samke. uSamke then says, how? Asikho isidingo sokuthi ungibonge. Ngithe ngibona nje lezi ngubo ngabona ubuso bukaManqoba ngathi yo, umfana kagogo man, ngiyathemba ukuthi awunankinga njalo. uVelaphi then says, hayi cha, khuleka ngiyabonga nje, ziyamfanela futhi. uVuma then says, kodwa ke uyabona ukuthi uSamke uyamthanda or umthanda kangakanani uManqoba? She bought him such beautiful clothes, uyabona? uVelaphi then says, yeah. Baba yazi isikhathi siyashaya. Woza boy, asambile. uVuma then says, bye bye boy. uVelaphi then says, nizosala kahle, ngiyabonga ukuthi ningigadele yena. She leaves you guys. uSamke then says, how? Kodwa ubonile ingane ibingafuni ukuhamba? Yo, hayi sasala-ke nesizungu. And then that scene just ends like that. Next scene guys, we see uNoma. She is laying on uKwenzo's couch, you guys. And yet she wants to stay in uKwenzo's apartment. In fact, that apartment was her and uKwenzo's apartment. So anyway, she's laying on the couch there. uKwenzo is standing there with some lady. So uNoma then says, ucabanga ukuthi mina ngidinga usizo lwakho uKwenzo? uKwenzo then says, yeah. Yingakho udokotela elana. The doctor then says Noma. She holds uNoma on her shoulder. uNoma then says, where's Sisi? Alungangibambi nje. Angiyindawo nawe. Uyangizwa yini? The doctor just looks at uWenzo like to say, this one is going to be a tough one. uNoma goes on to say, wena Wenzo, wena naleslima sapho sentombazana, yini enenze lento? You are the reason for my miscarriage, and now usufuna ukungisiza Wenzo. Now you want to help me. Wenzo then says, Nomalanga, angazi mele ngitshele kangakhi that there was never a child. Udokotela then says, Nomalanga Sisi, ukhine nini ukudla? At this point, Nomalanga is still laying there on the couch, guys. She just closes her eyes. Udokotela then says, all right, Ugota. Please, Sisi. Please just calm down. All you need to do, baby girl, is just calm down. And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene, girl, we see the same Gwenzo Usekitchini making himself a cup of tea, busy singing there when Usbongile walks into the house. So Usbongile is like, where Gwenzo? Gwenzo's like, yebo, gingapa. Usbongile comes over to the kitchen. She's like, Gwenzo, anungitshele yini ewenza ufonele uNomalanga, What are you doing with uNomalanga? Ugwenzo then says, Bengi, as he's trying to finish his sentence, Usbongile then says, wow, wena Gwenzo, you don't even know why ufone the ex yakho. Emva kwayo yonke into esitule kuyo Gwenzo. Ugwenzo then says, how Usbongile, it's not what you think. Usbongile then says, pho yini Gwenzo? Wenze mina nawe sisebenze kanzima to build the trust between us two. Njengamanje ungenza ingathi ngizizwe as if like all of that was for nothing. Uwenzo then says, Sibongile, ngikhathazekile ngoNomalanga. Akaphilanga. Sengathi akaphilile emqondo. Usibongile then says, awukahle Gwenzo. Sonke siyamazi ukuthi uNomalanga unjani. She has started playing with your mind like she did in the beginning. Ugwenzo then says, cha kodwa lokhu kuhlukile ngempela Sibongile. Akekho right uNomalanga. Uyawudinga usizo. Futhi she has no one else to go to but me. Usibongile then says, Gwenzo, uyacaca shuthi uNomalanga ngeke aphinde aphume empilweni yakho. Ugwenzo then says that's not true. Usibongile then says, Gwenzo, uzomela ukhethe. Uma uyangithanda ngempela Gwenzo, if you respect me, nothando nwethu, uzohlukana phansi noNomalanga. Ugwenzo then says, Sibongile ayi. Usibongile then says, siyazwana Gwenzo. Ugwenzo azithulele, guys. Then when she sees ukuthi Ugwenzo's not saying yes to what she's saying, she just walks off. Ugwenzo's like, Sibongile, how Sibongile? Usibongile then says, talungiyeka Gwenzo, and she walks out of the house, you guys. Next scene, we see uVelephi usekamereni lakhe noSangweni, guys. She is unpacking these clothes that uSamke brought for uMangoba. She goes on to say, yabona manje mfethu, uSamke angimazi ukuthi usithatha phi ingubo ezimbi kanje. She picks up them. She's like, yini le? uSangweni then says, kwaseqaleni, why did she take the child away from uSipho? uVelephi then says, uyabona-ke loyo uSipho, ngicela nje ukuthi singakhulumi nje ngaye because he tends to be stupid nje at times. uSangweni then says, yazi kodwa Velephi mfethu, lo mama sengimkhuze kakhulu and akezwa. Sengicabangile kahle futhi into engizoyenza njengamanje ngizothenga upetroli noparafini ngiqonde ngo embalenhle ngiyishise le handawo. uVelephi then says, ena cha asizukwenza lokho Sangweni, asikwazi ukuvele simyele ngobuso nje kanjalo. uSangweni then says, wena Velephi you want ukuthi siyidonse lento kanti lo mama sekakhubile emoyeni. uVelephi then says, asiyidonsisi Sangweni. uSangweni then says, okay Velephi khuluma-ke. uVelephi then says, uyambona uSamke, ngicabanga ukuthi sekuyisikhathi sombonisa ukuthi udeliwe akazange wafa. Angithi sonke lesi sikhathi she's been abusing me, esebenzisa igama lama wami ukuze ahlukumeze mina. Yabona-ke manje thina-ke sizomkhombisa ukuthi sizingane zadeliwe. That's what we are going to do. uSangweni then says, kodwa-ke kulungile, whatever plan you have, ngicela ukuthi kuphuthume Velephi, mina ngizoweseka. uVelephi then says, qala ngokushisa lezi ngubo, shisa labo rubbish bempahla, uqale lapho nje. uSangweni is like, all right. He takes the clothes, you guys, he's ready to burn them, and the scene just ends like that. Well guys, let's park it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.